Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to TrendX Institute where we learn and grow together. So I am back with a new breakout stock, this time a huge breakout stock which is a high 52 52 weeks. Okay, so it is Tata investment as you can see. So why I selected this, you can see it is earlier given it good bounce from resistance zones and till here, and now you won't believe I am not believing it either, but it was up almost 20% on single day, no week. You can see this is the strongest candle I have seen. Okay, so gonna be a good, very good move from here. So let's see if you can buy on the opening on Monday about this candle. There's some point 10-20 points up from here, and your stop loss would be this, the low of this big green candle. Okay, so let's see if we have to see its target for short term and long term, we can use Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so let's see Fibonacci. From this to this. Okay, so if you can see uh, our just near term would be 4013 first target, and then this would be 4887. So it is up to you how long you can hold, but in long time it is gonna be very good opportunity. It can go till here 6300, almost double. So don't miss it and study it properly before investing in anything. Okay, so see you soon, bye.